Today I am retouching my 7-year-old locks. As you can see, the growth is quite huge. I always retouch monthly, but this time 2 months I've not retouched. Look at it. I've always wanted long locks. This is my hair for 7 years. I use Adora, this one, and off we go to the salon and we see what's going to happen. It's sunny today. Yes, so let's go. I'm not so sure if I want to let them out like this or I'm going to fold them. I don't know. Let's find out. Today we are going to make prawns, a very easy recipe. These are small prawns. Look at them. Nice. And I'm just going to use coriander to garnish, salt to season, and later on I will also use some cooking oil. Just that. Let's do it. You take your prawns, put them in the pan, no salt and no oil at this stage. They were from the fridge, so they are a little bit frozen, meaning they have a little water. You slowly turn them. Remember that prawns are low-fat protein source. It is also an excellent source of trace minerals such as zinc and iodine. And iodine is required to sustain thyroid gland function, while zinc is for the immune system. These are very healthy. You just give them a few minutes because you don't want them to start sticking at this stage. You just put a little oil when they start now sticking, and you can see even the color is changing just a little golden brown. You just put a little oil and you turn. I like them crunchy, very sweet. You can even take them as a snack, very nice and sweet, and also healthy. It will give you more zinc and iodine. Then you just season with salt, just a little salt to taste. Imagine just that, and our prawns are ready. You just used salt and oil, just that. I just garnish with my coriander. You can put as much as you like. Nice color, and it's also tasty. Look at it. Look at it. You should try prawns if you haven't. The moment of truth is here. So tasty, so crunchy, and the salt is just perfect. It's so easy to make prawns. You should try it.